All right, well, I slept great last night. Nice, cool breeze. Had this tent set up perfectly where it was blowing right through it. Had a good dinner. Had a spaghetti and meatballs MRE. Just delicious. So, here comes the truck. There was a lot of noise with the ATVs at first, but I mean, I think by 8:30 everything was totally quieted down. Everyone was very respectful. So all in all, nice. Used the shower facility yesterday too, and it's pretty nice. It's $15, so it was just fine with me. Yeah, so about 25 miles left to the truck, so it should be fairly easy. I have a tailwind, I think, and it's rather, I think today is the coolest day. Might be a low 60s. So anyway, feeling pretty good. Just ready to get home. That'll get you warmed up in the morning. First mile and a half is a climb. And no tailwind. I actually have a headwind, but whatever. Don't have that many miles to go. So another Wisconsin highway and another nice shoulder. And I can see I gotta go down and back up again. All right, well, I'm starting to get hungry, about halfway there. So I'm gonna make some roadside tacos. I still have one beef taco MRE left that I brought with, so I'm making it right now. Got that on the telephone pole, and the tortillas warming up in the sun here. But it'll do the job. Oh yeah, had some donuts too that I've been carrying for a day and a half. So anyway, almost there. Got about 7 more miles till the trail, and then another 7 on the trail. So, but it's rather hilly around here, so I'm using up a lot of calories. You can kind of see behind me. That's where I came from, and that's where I'm heading. These freaking gnat fly things are still around here too, and I swear they like hop on me when I'm going fast, and then when I slow down and start climbing up a hill, they jump off and then start buzzing in my ear and my face. Real fun. But when there's a breeze, at least they disappear. So fingers crossed that the breeze keeps up. All right, well, those tacos actually weren't half bad. Quick and easy to do on the side of the road. So I got about 14 more miles, 7 to the trail, and then 7 on the trail. So I'm gonna hit the road here. All right, well, it was a very hilly 20-mile section, but good news, I'm turning onto the Badger Trail, and only have 5 miles left to my truck, so glad to be done with the hills for now, and we'll be glad to be home. All right, I'm leaving Wisconsin and heading back into Illinois. Yeah, even the cows are glad to see me go, because I've been talking to them the whole way. Off the Badger Trail onto the Jane Addams Trail. About 2 miles left. Well, it was a great trip. Glad I was able to get out, even if it was just for a short 3-day. It was pretty much just what I needed for being in the house for so long. And, really enjoyed it. It was tough, but you know what? First big ride of the year always is. So, I never get in enough rides for my first tour. So, perfect weather. Can't complain a bit. So I am just glad to be back. All right, until next time.